Hey guys, this is Fundo on Manhupagama. Tonight on Uzalo, please like, comment, subscribe. Nomaswazi is surprised when she learned that Njenji wants to use dark magic to fight Putin. After Putin beating Njenji, and Njenji do the cleaning doing by Mamlambo for dating with a man that was a friend of her husband, and it seems like Mamlambo take well the ceremony, while Limbata wants to invite the man that does not have a girlfriend into a church, and there will be a price to enter on the church, 15K to enter on the church. He wants to raise the money for buying a new building of church. While Nkunzi is surprised and got disappointed when Mkondo wants to live on his house. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.